What's up? In today's video, we are talking about the objectives and Facebook ads. And sorry for my voice in advance, I'm a little bit sick, so my voice is pretty strange. Today, we're going to talk about the sales objective in Facebook because there are many objectives that you can actually choose from. And particularly for the purpose of this video, we're going to talk about the sales objective because that is the most popular one, right? The vast majority of you watching this video is probably going to start some kind of e-com or something like that, so that's the reason why I'm doing this. So if you ever wonder when to use the sales objective and why a lot of people consider it as a game changer, actually, then just, I don't know, stay on to the end. So let's start with that immediately. First of all, wait a sec. The sales objective that is literally designed to help you drive conversions. Wait a second. So yeah, it's perfect for driving the conversions, whether it's getting purchases on the website, securing bookings for your service, I don't know, like online classes or something like that, or even generating the leads with high intent. It's literally all about targeting users who are more likely to complete an action that contributes directly to your revenue, and you probably should consider using the sales objective if I don't know, like you have a clear product or a service to sell, like I don't know, like a physical product or a digital product. It doesn't really matter, regardless of the product's nature. I mean, if you want to sell something, of course, that you're going to choose it as a sales objective. You should also consider it if I don't know, like you have a website or a landing page or a platform, and your platform or your landing page is optimized for conversions, like having a smooth checkout process or a pretty good solid lead form, etc., etc. Or you should consider it if you're ready to measure the results in terms of ROI and ROAS. Why is it good? It is good for many reasons, but one of the most important reasons is that this objective by itself leverages Facebook's powerful algorithms and machine learning system to target the users who are most likely to take the desired action. For example, for an instance, we were using I don't know, like a product. So Facebook is literally leveraging that craft, and it's literally trying to train the algorithm in order to find the people that are most likely to buy your product at the lowest costs. Mm, the platform literally learns from campaign data and refines delivery to maximize your sales potential. So don't get like bored if or disappointed actually if your campaign doesn't work pretty well in the first, I don't know, like 10 days, because you always need to provide an extra wiggle room to Facebook in order to get an algorithm trained. If you're expecting to have, I don't know, like 50 sales in first 3 days of campaign, then yeah, that is a game over for you already. What else can we say about that? I mean, we can talk about the benefits. Wait a second. Yeah, basically we can talk about the benefits of the sales objective. That is good for like high intent targeting. As I said before, as I mentioned before, it prioritizes users who have already shown the purchase intent for their product. One crucial benefit also is a data-driven optimization, and I already explained you that, like that Facebook's AI optimizes the ad delivery based on what works best for your audience. If the Facebook like sees something that is not good for you, I mean, of course, that the Facebook is not going to spend a lot of money on that particular thing, and it's pretty flexible when it comes to conversion goals. You can literally optimize for purchases, add to cart actions, form submissions, which is pretty popular nowadays. I don't know why. I'm a huge fan of sales directly on a website. So yeah, let's go with this one here. So auction and reservation, I already explained that in one of the previous tutorials. We are going with the sales objective here and just go to continue straightforward. Advantage plus shopping campaign, no, we're not doing that in the first period. I will explain you that. Manual sales campaign, always start with that. So I already explained you all of these things, so this is pretty much straightforward. I'll just keep those things here. We already explained all of these and all of these. I already explained advantage campaign budget, but I mean I can do that again. So that is literally the perfect match for ABA testing, which is crucial to finding what works best for you and what doesn't. So that is for you only up to you to test different ad sets with variations in audiences, creatives, and placements, and it also helps you like to how to say that. This helps you to identify literally the top performing strategies, and once you gathered enough data, then we should use advantage budget optimization to allocate our budget automatically to the best performing ads which we previously tested. So yeah, that is well explained actually. This option here ensures that you maximize your ROI without the constant manual adjustments. I mean, a lot of people like to just adjust something day by day. They are literally looking at the dashboard, Facebook ads dashboard, like after every 20, 30, 50 minutes, 1 hour, I don't know. So that is a big mistake actually. So the pro tip when it comes to that would be that always monitor results closely and refine your campaigns for even better performances, but on daily basis, not on 15 minutes, 2, 3, 4 hour basis, on daily basis. So for the purpose of the first campaign, of course, that we are not. Wait a second, I need to see that. Yeah, for the purpose of the first campaign, I highly suggest not to start with advantage campaign budget, but who knows, maybe that will work for you. I don't know, to be honest. A/B test, no, because I already explained to you that you can literally test everything manually by yourself. You don't need the Facebook algorithm to test instead of you, so we'll just pass by that. We go to next here. Yeah, straightforward. So now you can see where you want to gather your conversions and your sales. Of course, as I said, I mean, I'm a huge fan of website conversions. That's the best one for me, actually, based on the experience and the products that I've been selling throughout the years. You can choose website, or if you have an app. I mean, my account is not ready yet because this is a brand new account, so literally you can choose website or website and app or app only, messaging apps such as Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I mean, yeah, pretty well explained. I need to dig into that even more. Calls, if your business is call-based business, for example, I don't know, like a plumber or something like that, of course, that you can choose calls as an optimization goal. And as it says here, drive sales and conversions through phone calls. All right, so without a website or anything similar to that. When it comes to performance goals, you have the option of maximize the number of conversions, maximize value of conversions, maximize number of landing pages, link clicks, unique reach. Of course, that you are going to start with number of conversions, maximize number of conversions, because if you select this one here, I mean, Facebook is going to find the people that are most likely to only land on your landing page and just come there, and those are the people that are not expected from to take any kind of desired action, which would be profitable for us. So we will just start with maximize number of conversions, and yeah, I will explain that. So maximize number of conversions, literally, that is an objective that focuses on driving as many conversions as possible, as the word says itself, as the phrase says itself, within your budget. So regardless of the monetary value, that is ideal if your goal is to generate more leads, purchases, signups, etc., etc., without prioritizing the revenue of the action of each action bring. Sorry. If we take a look at a contrast, the maximize conversion value objective prioritizes driving the highest revenue for conversions. This option is best for e-commerce businesses where the value of each purchase varies, as it ensures your budget is spent on actions that bring the most financial return for you. So basically, if you are an e-commerce store owner, maximize value of conversions is pretty good, but only and after you get, like, I don't know, you need some historical data. If you get like 30 conversions or something like that, then you should consider an option of adding the maximized value of conversions sales objective, performance goal, sorry. Because for this one here, your Facebook algorithm, your Facebook ad manager needs a certain algorithm and needs a certain data which is gathered on the previous campaign. So for the first one here, just choose the maximize number of conversions. Alright, I explained you that. Pixel, I will create a straightforward tutorial for this one only in particular because that is a topic for itself. Basically, Facebook Pixel is something that you use in order to track everything that happens on your website. I mean, you can do that through the Google Analytics 4, which the tutorial of that is already uploaded, so I will not spend the time on that. Additionally, cost per result goal. This is a pretty complex topic, but I will try to be as simple as I can be. So, what is the cost per result goal? That is a feature that allows advertisers to how to say that to define the maximum amount they're willing to pay for a specific result, such as lead, purchase, or click, for example. So by setting a cost threshold, Facebook optimizes ad delivery to achieve your desired outcome while staying within your budget range. All right. So this feature is particularly useful when you have a strict budget. I don't know, like $50 or profitability target. I mean, you calculate it with your team or by yourself. I don't know that for every $20 that you spend, you are in $10 of profit. So if you want to reduce that even more, you would put like a cost per result goal at $22. That means that your profit, you would be profitable only through those $8. So you literally need to calculate everything, and then after that, and after some historical data has been gathered, then that is the time when you can add a cost per result goal. So it works like when you set a cost per result goal, Facebook's algorithm works within the limits you define, like ensuring the system only to bid on opportunities that are most likely to meet your goals. All right, so if you, I don't know, like put a cost per result goal at $10, if you put a cost per result goal at $10, of course, that Facebook is not going to go above that, all right? So Facebook is going to bid on everything, on every auction, which is feasible to achieve within that particular budget, within those $10 that we set for our cost per result goal. So I can give you an example. Let's put that at $10. Cost per result goal is $10. Facebook will automatically prioritize the placements and audience segments that are most likely to generate a purchase within those $10, within this amount of $10. So if achieving that goal is not feasible for you due to, I don't know, like competition or audience saturation, or your ads may experience reduced delivery, of course that Facebook is not going to do that because Facebook is trying to avoid the overspending of your budget. And I don't know, like there are many pros and cons of using that, but with what I met in the past, like advantages of using cost per result goal are certainly like a budget controlled, profitability focus, and efficient scaling. So when it comes to budget, it literally prevents the overspending on results that don't align with your financial goals, as I said before. When it comes to profitability focus, it helps you to maintain a healthy return on ad spend, also known as ROAS. I already explained that. And when it comes to scaling, efficient scaling actually, uh, this one enables the businesses to scale the campaigns without losing sight of cost efficiency. So a real-time example here would be for an e-commerce store. So let's say that you're an online clothing store, sorry, that wants to acquire new customers for $15 or less per purchase to maintain the profitability of the company. So you would literally set a cost per result goal of $15, and what is Facebook going to do? Facebook is going to deliver those ads to high purchase intent audiences who are most likely to convert within this limit, ensuring each sale contributes to the profit margin. Example number three would so yeah. Example number two would be maybe something about the leads, like lead generation or a real estate agency, something like that. So a real estate agency runs the lead generation campaigns with a maximum budget of $10. Let's use the $10 for every example. $10 per lead. So by setting the cost per result goal at $10, they ensure that they're acquiring those leads that fit within their marketing budget. while letting the Facebook to optimize delivery for the most cost-effective results. And example number three would be related to apps, actually. So let's say that you are a gaming company, you develop a small game, and now you want to acquire new players in order to get some revenue or whatever you wanna do with that. So a gaming company promotes it's a new mobile game and wants to acquire the installs less than $2 or less actually. So setting a cost per install goal of $2 allows Facebook to target users likely to download the app within this price range, ensuring the cost efficient scaling. I think that I mentioned that word like 50 times during this tutorial, but never mind. So when it comes to using the cost per result goal as a pro, I mean, you literally need to test and adjust everything. You need to start with realistic cost goal based on industry benchmarks or historical campaign performances of your ad account. I mean, if your profitability is at I don't know, like $150, you cannot put it at 20. You cannot reduce the cost per result goal in order to achieve more profit that drastically and that unexpectedly. All right, so you need to go time by time, step by step. It is also good for you to monitor the performance. I mean, regularly review delivery metrics to ensure your goal is achievable. If your campaign isn't delivering, consider then adjusting the goal slightly, like $50. That could be 40, 45, 40, 35, like $5 each step down or up. It is also good for you to avoid the unrealistic goals. So setting goals too low may reduce delivery or result in poor quality leads. So you need to balance your profitability with feasibility. So always remember that that is a pretty important phrase. Balance your profitability with feasibility. So by leveraging the cost per result goal, you can strike the perfect balance between those two. Let me check if we have something else here. I already explained that I'm a creative. That's not for the purpose of this video. Budget, all of these things. So yeah, basically that is it. This is my native country here. Yeah, I already explained all of these things. So yeah, that would be it for today. So that was just a quick look at some of the crucial options in sales campaigns. So we're not diving deeper into it here because we already explained everything. So if you want to learn how to set up full campaigns step by step, make sure to check out the Facebook ads tutorial video that I uploaded like 2 months ago. That should be it for today. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.